Hi, welcome to my channel. In this lecture, we'll discuss about one more action called fold. As per definition, fold is a method that used to initialize a given value at the time of performing desired operation. So, using fold, you can initialize some value, whether it is a positive number or negative number. You can initialize some number to perform before performing the at the time of performing some arithmetic operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, etc. Okay, this uh, when you want to perform, you can initialize this value and while performing arithmetic operation over the elements of partitions of RDD. Okay, then once it is applying that initial value to all the partition, the for a resultant whatever operation you are doing on the partitions, whatever the result is there, on top of the result also that initialized value will be applied. Okay, for example, I will create one RDD where some r RDD1 equal to sc dot make RDD array of 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. For easy understanding, I will create two partitions on this RDD. So, comma 2. If you want to see how many partitions are there in that RDD1, you can issue glom dot collect. First partition, it has two partitions, this RDD. First partition has 1 2 3, second partition has 4 5 6 7. So if as a next step I will apply in this demo, I want to initialize a 2 for all these elements in the RDD and I want to perform addition. Okay, let's do that. RDD1 dot fold. This is a syntax to after fold keyword we have to declare that initialized value, then what operation you want to do. I am doing plus on a as a cumulative operation. Plus I am doing, addition I am doing. So what is the output here? 34. So how 34 is coming? We'll discuss. Initial value is 2. 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 equal to 3. Then 3, output 3 plus the second value 2 equal to 5. Here output value 5, then next element is 3, then 8. So totally 8 here in the first partition. In second partition 2 plus 4 equal to 6. 6, 2 plus 4 equal to 6. 6 plus 5 equal to 11. 11 plus 6 equal to 17. 17 plus last element 7 equal to 24. First partition output is 8. Second partition output is 24. So as we discussed in definition, this fold will be, this operation will be, whatever initialized value will be applicable for the result of this operation. That means again for first partition output is 8, right? There also it will be in value will be initialized for 2 plus 8. 2 plus 8, how much is 10. 10 plus second partition total 24. 10 plus 24, 34. So that is the output, right? So 34 is the output. In this way, whenever you want to initialize some value at the time of performing some desired operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, that time we'll go for a fold. Okay? Not only for positive values, it will work for negative values also. You can initialize as negative values also. Okay, thanks for watching this video.